Hello everyone, welcome to week 20 of our Robinhood investment account. And as we can see, let me just do a quick overview of our Excel spreadsheet. Last week it was 385. You can notice a couple weeks that had gone down in a row, and now it's going back up to 423.75, and that's roughly almost the high of this account. It looks like in February it was 428.56, so that's a good thing. And let me go ahead and close this out. We'll go ahead and take a quick look here. So as we do the 1 year, and obviously it's just it's maybe since October, it's actually gone up $223.52, so that's over 100%, because I initially put in $100 in, and then I put another $100 in a couple months later. So it has more than doubled, so that's always a good thing to know, good thing to have in your account. And so if we're just kind of looking at some of the reasons why, overall, let's just go to the 1 week view here. We can kind of look at some of the information here. Starbucks has gone up. That's good for us. Tesla bounced up $1 or so, but the big change was in the cryptocurrencies. Looks like Ethereum is up to $78, so that's always a win. Dogecoin was kind of been hovering in the 5-cent range for the last week, and now it's back up to this is kind of the 5-cent range, so now it's up to 6 cents, so that always helps as well. I do have $122 left, and I keep saying, oh, I'm going to find another stock to invest in, but I haven't done that yet. So if you got anything, let me know. I obviously want something that's high moving, but I think just like everybody else, we're kind of waiting to see what the economy's doing. And now this week with the stimulus check, and that money going out, maybe that'll put another boost in the stock, so maybe I need to find something quickly. And the other thing I did want to bring up is I don't have in this account JCPenney stock, but I do have it in my retirement, one of my IRA portfolios, and I just happened to look at that account today as well, and I noticed, oh, it's not on there. It used to be JCP, and I bought it a couple years ago. I can go back and look that up. I think it was like $9 or $10 a share. It's been about $900, less than $1,000, right? And so obviously it fell. The company wasn't new. So I looked today at JCPenney, and I will also tell you, a couple months ago it did get bought out. The stock ticker symbol changed to OTC and OTCPK or something, and I looked that up a couple months ago, and it was bought Old Copper Company Inc. and such. So I looked that up, and then I just happened to notice today, I'm like, what's that company doing? Well, it's not even in my account, my retirement account. So then I had to go back and Google. And so JCPenney reorganized on October 21st, 2020. And basically it means that with that going on and such, basically they don't have enough money to pay stockholders, and all of the shares are gone. So I have officially lost my money. Like, they're not even trading on the stock market. They have so much money in debt that what happens with a company is there is a hierarchy of who gets paid first with a company. Unfortunately, your shareholders, which are your stockholders and such, are last on that list. And I just finished teaching a managerial finance class as well, so I should have maybe used this as a great example of what investors look at when they want to invest in a company, and kind of the importance of doing all this financial research and such. This article kind of talks about the organization, and then I did find another article a little bit more recently, the first week of January of 2021, that basically just says it's done. They haven't started selling off their assets and all of their inventory yet. They're still operating some stores, but they're just like so far in debt that they're not even going to be able to pay their bills and such. So it's just a matter of, by the end of 2021, probably all the stores will be officially closed. And there is no more JCPenney or Old Copper Company, the OTCPK, or anything like that. So anyways, I just wanted to give you an update on that and some of the unfortunate sides of owning stocks from companies and such. Going back to the portfolio here, if you have any great stock information, let me know, and maybe I'll finally do something with this $122 here as well. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.